Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. And to get started, you will need to open up your settings. From here, navigate down till you find storage somewhere, or whatever they hit that option. Gonna check under about phone. So yeah, there we go, we have storage right here. Gonna click on it. As you can see, it loads it up, and from here you want to tap on this drop down right here where it says this device and select SD card. This will then obviously show you your SD card. Now here, click on the three dots and select format. It gives us a pop-up letting us know that formatting your SD card will remove all the data from it. If you have anything on your card that you want to keep, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, with that being said, assuming you have already made a backup or you just simply don't want to, you can proceed further by selecting Format SD card. This will automatically begin formatting it, and this process takes about like 5 to 10 seconds. And there we go, it's already finished. So you can select Done, and the card is now formatted and ready to be used once again. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.